My name is Tom Wenzel. 40-some years ago, I started Wenzel Metal Spinning. I got into the metal spinning business out of high school. It was my first summer job. We started Wenzel Metal Spinning simply because I did not want to work the rest of my life. I saw it as a way to retire early, which I did. I retired at 53 after we sold the company to the current owners, and that was 20 years ago now. So I've had 20 years of wonderful retirement. The people I worked for before, who were the biggest metal spinning company in the world, and were very good to me, were sold to a bigger company. And I could see my future was limited. I got a hold of 10 or 12 key employees for the place we worked, and I asked them if they would come with me if we started a new company. And luckily, they all agreed to come with me. It is difficult because you're dealing with so many variables. You're dealing with the human variable, the spinner, everybody has good days, bad days. They've taken a lot of that out these days with all this automated equipment, all this computerized equipment. The other variable is the quality of the material you're dealing with. You are taking this metal and you are stretching it to its ultimate boundaries. And it's very, very easy to scrap a lot of steel, scrap a lot of product by doing it wrong. You develop a feel. It's like being a painter. You practice your craft until you get really good at it and you learn all the brush strokes. That's what spinning is. You start on a machine and you eventually work your way up to the really difficult stuff. Number one, you got to be a hard worker. Number two, it helps to be big and strong. And number three, again, goes back to you have to have a good work ethic because it is very difficult work. Even as automated as this place is, you still have to handle a lot of material and it still takes a lot of effort from a human. When I started the metal spinning company back in the early 1980s, computer-controlled equipment was just coming onto the market, where they were taking computers, hooking them up to existing machinery, and automating it, basically. There was a company in Germany called Liefeld who made these spinning machines, incorporating the new technology. We could not afford them, we had no money, and they were very, very expensive, but we still went out and bought more than we should have. That was the secret to our success. Once those machines got online and started producing, it was a lot easier to make a good profit. It's a really good business, and if you do it right and don't let your customers down, they'll stick with you because there's so few metal spinners left. Lost art. We provided a good place of employment for many people, and I think we paid them very well, and I'm just very proud of the employees that we've had through the years. And there's been a lot of them, and they're all great people. You should come to work for Wenzel for one reason only. We take care of our employees. You're a valuable asset, our most valuable asset, in spite of all this multi-million-dollar machinery. If we don't have good employees, we got nothing.